Hi, good morning from Finland. Today I'm here actually in Pisma in Lappeenranta. It's one of the biggest shopping malls in Lappeenranta. Here you can get a lot of things. One place you will get everything actually in Finland. So normally, mostly in a week, few times I come here in the morning to drink coffee with my friends. While I was drinking coffee today, I thought like I should give you some information. A lot of students ask me if they have done bachelor's in chemistry or bachelor of engineering in chemistry or chemical engineering, what kind of subjects they can study in master degree and how to get the admission. So in my today we have actually Elite University, which they are taking now students or now application ongoing, where you can apply directly. And if you have a bachelor's of chemical engineering, bachelor's of food processing technology, you have bachelor's in chemistry, you can apply in three subjects. One is biorefining, another one is chemical engineering, another one is like chemical engineering, food processing, or water technology. This kind of subjects you can study. You need to have IELTS 6.5 or PTF 60 or TOEFL 90. Also, you need to have a good grades in your bachelor degree. If these things are okay, then you can apply. If you have much better, like you have like 5 out of 5 point in your bachelor degree, and then IELTS are like, or language certificates are really good, like minimum requirement is 60, but you have like 80 in PT, IELTS in 7 or 8, and then TOEFL is 100 plus. Then you can apply for also Finland Scholarship, which is like free education, 100% free education. Plus, they will also give you 5,000 euro scholarship on Finland Scholarship. So you can also apply for that. No more information, you can ask us in message, Facebook message, or you can do the eligibility test. Are you eligible to apply in this subject from www.union.fi? I will give the link in the comments box, so you can check it out properly. Also, I will have my number over there, so if you wanted to contact me, you can contact our company Union. It's a university authorized educational consultancy firm. We work with a global institute. Also, mostly we work with Finnish institute, and then from different countries. We have agents in Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Ethiopia. We have a lot of countries our agents. So we have been working to make it happen for international students to solve their problems, that they can come Finland easily and build their life easily. So we'll see you again if you need something from us. Thank you very much and have a good day.